Welcome everybody to this beautiful kitchen. As you guys know, Jillian and Tori wrote a beautiful cookbook and we were so inspired by that idea that we thought, well, let's make a collection to go along with it.
Yeah, so the cookbook came out, or just came out, and it's beautiful. I think you guys are all gonna love the recipes. And I've been watching from the sidelines as Stephanie's been working so hard creating the collection with Jillian and Tori, and you guys are going to freak out when you see this collection.
We have a lot of really pretty exclusive products that are limited editions, so you're gonna have to get those while you can. We've also added some of Jill and Tori's favorite pieces just to round out the collection. And today we're gonna put our products to use.
We are.
And we've picked a recipe from the cookbook that we think will look beautiful and taste even better. And we're gonna give it a go.
I mean, she says we, but really. So maybe I'll help with the apron?
Okay, yes.
Are you ready?
That'll
Should
be
we
the first
start?
thing.
Okay.
So we're making a banana coconut cream pie from the recipe book. And there are vegan and gluten-free options, so.
Okay, so this apron I think is the most adorable piece in the collection. Stephanie will model it for us.
We are going to start with our recipe. What we need is the coconut chips. We're mixing up the coconut with the coconut milk.
Okay, I will, and I'm going to use this spoon that you
Isn't
designed,
that so
which is so
cute?
cute. And I love that it has the Fraiche logo on it.
Yes,
Which is
yes.
and of course,
And a little heart.
yeah, it's nice.
Adorable. Stir with love. I'm loving these heart tea towel sets.
I think that the vintage ones are my favorite, actually. This one is my favorite because I just like the border detail. It's so neutral looking, but detailed.
What we need a cutting board.
We do.
Let me go get one, because there's one in the collection.
I love it. While you're chopping those bananas, I was curious if you could tell me a little bit more about the candle that you designed. It smells so good.
It smells so good. It's the Fraiche kitchen candle.
It is a fresh smelling candle.
Designed to burn in your kitchen. Jillian and Tori love the scent and we designed it together. Just has a really fun, bold stripe and beautiful, beautiful scent.
Ooh, looks so good. I think Jillian and Tori would be proud of us right
I think
now.
so too.
Yeah.
The more whip, the better.
Yeah, exactly. Is it too much?
Okay, well that was fun.
It really was.
Have a
Thank you.
beautiful
Yeah.
finished pie.
Thank you, Stephanie.
Of
Thanks,
course.
Jillian and Tori, for this amazing recipe. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah, the whole cookbook looks amazing. And we can't wait to show you guys our whole collection of Fraiche Kitchen. So come on in store or shop online, and we can't wait to see you.